In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks and export your chart of accounts to an Excel spreadsheet. This process is not only simple, but also incredibly useful for those needing to manage their financial data outside the QuickBooks environment for analysis or record keeping. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks homepage. If you aren't already logged in, be sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the familiar interface that gives you access to various features depending on your needs. Today, we'll hone in on working with the chart of accounts, a critical component of any accounting system that provides you with the structure to categorize all your financial information effectively. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Transactions section. Once you're there, look for the Chart of Accounts option and go ahead and click on it. The Chart of Accounts will display, providing you with a detailed list of your company's financial transactions categorized by account type. Reviewing these details from time to time helps you maintain accurate financial records and improve your accounting decisions. With the Chart of Accounts open, the next step is to generate a report. You can do this by clicking on the Run Report button. This feature allows you to view a concise summary that highlights all your accounts, including their respective balances and overall chart performance. It's an excellent way to review how each account contributes to your business's financial health. Once you've successfully run the report, your next move is to export this data for further analysis or archiving. On the report page, you'll find an Export button. Clicking this will present you with options for how you'd like to save your information. It's a good practice to always have your data backed up in another location just to be safe. After selecting the Export option, you'll be given a choice of file formats. For this tutorial, select Export to Excel. This will download the report onto your computer in a format that can be easily manipulated in Excel. Excel allows you to perform detailed calculations, pivot tables, and graphs, which can give you additional insights into the financial state of your business. And there you have it. Exporting your chart of accounts from QuickBooks to Excel is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few clicks. It's a powerful way to take control over your data, ensuring you have it on hand when you need it most. Remember, keeping an organized and updated chart of accounts is key in effectively managing your business's financials. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy accounting!